Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of designing an investment tracking app for CRED. So, in this episode, we are going to do user journey mapping for all the three user personas that we created. So, a little bit of recap in the last video we did. Or okay, I will just show my screen and we will go to ChatGPT and we will recap what we did in the last episode and what we will be doing in this episode. So we did affinity mapping, affinity map or affinity diagram, not diagram, affinity mapping. So there we understood what is the key design opportunities there. Then we also aligned the map or different themes into different personas based on how much they needed. Then also we understood, okay, what are the interpretation for key MVPs, like unified visibility is one key feature. Then also automation and accuracy is our for MVPs. Then there are persona specific features is there. Then we also did a JTBD document, which is jobs to be done by three different user personas, right, in the real world application, like the persona one. And the format we followed is when I, then the situation, then I want to, the motivation, what motivation the user will have to do the job, then so I can get an outcome. Okay, so one persona is when I check my finances on a Sunday. It's like the scenario or the situation, then I want to see all my investments in one place. This is what is the motivation. So no, this is what the user wants to see. This is the task. Then I can feel confident that I am on track, I am on the right track. This is the motivation. Then what is the outcome? Even if I am not, okay, this is also not, this is the outcome, this is the motivation. Then even if I am not a financial expert. Similarly, three different user personas. So now the next part is the user journey map. I will just ask ChatGPT. Okay, we will start with the user journey maps. Then, if ChatGPT is not or will not provide the way we want, we will give them a context or format how we want the journey maps to be done. For each user flows through the product from discovery to okay, great. Let's okay, let's do it for one user at a time. Okay, so perfect. Let's begin with the journey map for Aisha, which is a young aspirer. We will map her journey to this. Okay, so here the stages. So what it provide is the stages: discovery, connect, view dashboard, take action, review progress. Then what is the goal? What is the emotion, pain points? Then opportunity areas. This is also a thing, like what is the emotion it is going through, and this is also what I was expecting. Okay, earlier when I was doing the same thing, it wasn't giving me this in the same way, but now it is pretty much good. But I also want to check the same thing. Okay, design principles key to remember: simplicity over sophistication, not just to pressure, not pressure. Then visual confidence, I also want to check it using a okay, can we do it using a O3 model? Let's do that again using the O3 model. Let's see what is the response. Okay, journey maps, persona 1, ISA, young aspirer, triggers or entry point, goals and tasks, emotions, pain points, and opportunity areas. But here I think the stages, it is pretty much the similar. Discover, find, create, investment, track, and it is a higher overview or high level, but this is bit more specific. Discover sees an app banner, track your entire wealth in one glance, push notification after paying credit card bill. Okay, this is much better. I feel this is much better. I will use the O3 for now. Okay, so what I will do here is I will create another thing here in the define page as okay. Let's find any uh, template user journey map. Okay, okay, let's take this user journey map. Okay, this is the it has a good template. You have the user profile first. We will copy it a little later. The user profile, the user is Aisha Aspirer. Okay, Aisha Patel. We will copy these here. Then age is 20. What is it? 26. 26. Software engineer. And we will copy these information. Just copy it as it is from here. Yeah. Just copy it as it is from our persona. See, this is how it can come very handy. User needs, mindset, supporting research and documentation. So here I will just copy paste few of our things, right? User needs, behavior context is not required. The goals and objectives is what? Then needs, then motivations. These four I need for the map, empathy map. Let's put it one by one. I will put it here, then resize it. Similarly, I will put the other things as well. Let's put it as medium. No, this is fine. Okay, now coming to the pain points. Pain points, we have our things ready. We will just resize it. I think okay, I will keep it as now. Okay, so needs and requirements. Okay, needs and requirements. Drag a little. Then zip it to this place. Okay, this is done. Then the last one, which is the motivation and drivers. Okay, so this is the persona user profile. Then this is our thing. Okay, the map. What it has is it has different steps, which is stages. This is like the feelings. Okay, we have stages, discover, connect, and all those things. Stages, trigger, entry point, goals, and tasks. Stages. Let's put it at stages. Okay. Stages, then trigger and entry point. Trigger and entry point. Then we have goals and tasks. Then we have emotions. Then we have pain points. And then we have opportunity and design ideas. Okay. Weird. Okay. This is fine. So entry and trigger point. So let's sort this one as well. We have discover. We have discover. Then we have connect. Oh, sorry. I made a mistake. I think. No, it's fine. Okay, their x axis is our y axis, but that is fine. Connect. Then we have view or first look. Then act insights moments. Then a review or habit loop. Okay, now I want to check few things from the Find CRED app investment connect like mutual funds. This is also useful to have it in our document. Find CRED investment tracker in app or push notification, links, crypto and all. This is also we can do. See, you can use multiple responses to enhance your document. C is unified, then receives a nudge. Then we have review process. Okay, now our task is to understand what this feature does and why it matters. But I like the O1, O3 models view. Sees in-app it is more like scenario based or more personalized. So I want to go with this. Sees in-app track your in one glance. Okay, let's capture it. Let's put it like this. Then we have second, we have push notifications after paying. Put it as it is. Then this is it for this part. This is trigger and entry point. Second piece of it. Sorry. Now coming to understand what the new features. I will just quickly copy paste the one flow, then we will go through what it says and we will refine it if requires. Sorry. Emotions. Okay, this is not required, so we will delete it. And then we have emotions, curious, slightly skeptical. Now coming to pain points. Delete this part. Come to pain points. Unsure about data safety. No worries. I will, after reading this, I will go through all the stages and we will discuss about what it is, what it has provided, and if it has given something that is not there, we will also look into that. Okay, so the first stage is completed. This is the discover stage. Finds CRED investment tracker in an app, trigger point, entry point, sees an in-app banner, track your entire wealth in one glance. This banner can be on the top side where CRED provides like okay, let me just open it. If you see here, this top is one where we can provide this. Okay, this is the entry point. Push notification is also can be one entry point in a banner, or another thing can be CREDs. Push notification sees in-app banner track entire wealth in one glance. Then another point can be, let me just open it. I feel money matters. Explore grid. One button. A button. Clicking on a button. Clicking on a on uh, portfolio button in explore CRED. What is it? Explore CRED section is one thing. See, if ChatGPT does not provide you full view, you can also add from your end what it is missing. Now understand what the new feature offers. Goals or tasks is to understand what the new feature offers, decides if it is worth trying. I think this is okay. Decides if it is worth trying. I think these two is fine. Emotions, curious, skeptical. This is also fine. Then fears, pain points, fears, long setup. This is what the user is having the confusion or anxiety. Then unsure about data safety. Okay. Also unsure about data accuracy. Okay. Now opportunity and design ideas. Chris value prop is 2 minute setup, see net worth instantly. Okay, what is the opportunity in this stage? When the user in the discovery stage, this is the opportunity we can provide. 2 minute setup, see next, see net worth instantly. Trust microcopy, security badges. Trust microcopy and security badges. Then also show trading apps or stock or mutual fund broker apps logos to build curiosity. Okay, now why I'm saying this opportunity is, if they see their favorite, let's say Jirodha's kite, let's say grow, and see these type of logos up front, then it will entice, okay, now I can track all these things in CRED. So this is also one opportunity ideas for the discovery phase. Now coming to connect. Now let's come to this phase. Let's copy paste these cards. We will come to connect, tabs, get started, and flow. Okay, push notification. One more thing we missed is okay, no, this is fine. Yeah, tabs, get started, onboarding flow. Okay, this is only one thing. These two we can delete. Then coming to link Jirodha, coin DCX, and all those things. Yeah, coming to, and here not everybody provides a coin DCX or coin switch link, right? We can, if we can add, that will be really a big advantage over the competitors. Grant email access. So currently the other or competitors cannot do it because they do not, the coin switch or DCX do not provide an API to link or provide access to all these informations. But Jirodha provides all those APIs. Jirodha or all those stockbroker application apps provide all those APIs. That's why they can do it. But it is great if they can manage to convince these big companies to provide them or do a partnership with these crypto firms, then I think they will be managed to able to convince them for API built. Grant email, grant email access for CSC. Hopeful OTP emotion, hopeful to anxious OTP consent screens. Okay, let's copy this. Now bring to this. Hopeful to anxious OTP consent screens. Pain points, OTP friction. Okay. OTP friction is one pain point. Okay. OTP friction, because the number can be, sometimes the OTP does not come or all those things. Sometimes whenever you have OTP dependency, right, you always have this, okay, when will the OTP come? If it doesn't come in time or in few seconds, you will get a little bit anxious. That's why this friction is there. Privacy worries is one thing. Okay, because it is going to take all your data. So it's a natural behavior when someone is concerned about privacy. And also we understood this one in our user interview. First two user groups were anxious about this thing. One column step by step flow. Connect, okay, friction, OTP friction, confusing finance jargons, privacy worries. One column step by step flow, okay. Then progress indicator, step 3. Okay, this progress indicator is one thing we have an opportunity to provide in the UI. Okay, so coming back to this, friendly explanation, read only access, we cannot transact or transact. Okay, CRED from its own side cannot do any transactions, they can only track. Now this is, with this, our this step is done. Let's go to the next step. Okay, which is emotion stays. No, this is the view or first look. We will put the these emotions as well, right? All these emotions also we will put it in the emotions panel. Now coming to okay, let's do it right away. So curious, skeptical, slightly skeptical. Curious is this, slightly skeptical. Is it the look for skeptical? I think so. Curious. This is sad. No, I don't think so. A little skeptical. I will give you this. Okay. Then this one is hopeful plus anxious OTP. Hopeful for anxious. I will give this one. Okay. Now coming back to our first view is view first lands on dashboard after sync nightly or instant of sample data. Always be the first view should be the instant view, right? Everybody can see the entire net worth. See net worth, percentage growth, asset allocation donut. Okay, we will decide if it is going to be a donut or what. See asset, okay, growth, see net worth. All right. Then excited, relieved is two emotions. Excited, what is it? Relieved. Okay, so excited is this, relieved is this. Excited, relieved. I think this we have to bring more emojis. This is not excited and relieved. Okay, we will keep the emojis from the site for now. Okay, or we can use it. Anyways, it doesn't have to be that much perfect. Just for easy understanding, we will keep it for now. Okay, now coming back to the pain points, which is if data go missing or sync. Okay, if data missing or sync in progress feels incomplete. Okay, pain points. One issue that user face in the onboarding is some data is missing or some issue happens, like your email does not provide you that cache information or all these things. This creates a issue most of the time. Provide demo data placeholders until sync finishes. Okay, it is saying that just to showcase some of the features we should provide a demo data. I don't think so we should do that. So we will update our 3 a.m. tap to refresh. Okay, this is a good. We are providing an assurance and also information that when the refresh will happen. This is a good thing. Act insight. Coming to act or insight, seize card, debt. Consider adding a debt fund. Okay. So these information, right? These features are there in ticker tap and small case. We can always refer there. to check how this feature works, and this is completely feasible, right? If those apps can do it, we also can do it. Okay, let's put it here. Let's put these two also here. Now sees card in debt, then the emotion curious, slightly unsure. Then these two cards, one is curious, then the other is slightly unsure. This is also the same one, I would say. Then quietly unsure is one negative thing I will add here. Okay. Okay. Now let's do for pain points. What are the pain points? We have analysis paralysis. Okay, which debt fund? Okay, analysis paralysis is when you have a lot of analysis to do, right? Your brain goes paralyzed. So we have to provide nudges that helps them understand all those things without using even their own hand like 100%. We can give at least 80%. We can provide them suggestions or nudges, recommendations. Single explore debt funds, call to action leading to 2-3 curated options. Okay, simple comparison. Now coming to this part, low comparison set risk XIR. Okay. Now coming to the pain points of this one. Hey, hey. I did a mistake in copy pasting. Pain points for connect. No, no. For connect. Did I do any mistakes? Okay, I will just undo everything. I instead of duplicating, I copy pasted right there. Very bad. Analysis paralysis. Sometimes this also happens, so you have to be very mindful about it. So fear of making wrong move. Okay, this is one pain point. Then for in the opportunity single explore debt funds, if the debt is less, we can provide a nudge. Okay, single debt explore debt funds. Yeah, coming here, then the second nudge can be simple comparison sheet, low risk 7% XIRR. Okay, these type of things we can provide. Now coming to the last stage, which is reviewer habit loop. Sunday morning check-in. So this becomes the habit that every Sunday morning or weekend or any holiday or free day, they can come back and check these information. Confirm weekly growth. Not good, not good. Seize card. Okay, I forgot to add this one. Seize card. Decide if she should start a new SIP. Okay, now we are on track. Coming back to curious. Okay, now the last one. Confirm. Celebrate progress track. Okay, now coming to these emotions. So we have motivated and confident. We have motivated, then we have confident. For motivated, confident, I think this can be both motivated and confident. Now coming to the pain points. Might skip the app if markets are down. Correct? If the markets are down, he will skip the app or not viewing it for a certain time period. Then coming to the opportunity here. Weekly digest email push your SIPs grew itna se itna, 2 taps to review. Then strike badge after 4 consecutive reviews. Okay, I think this is good enough to understand the user journey. So why we do a user journey? I will just tell you. This is to again see a bird eye view of how the user journey looks like from the time when they discover the app, like the flow, the onboarding and all those things. From there to doing one full cycle of the flow. Let's say discover, connect your mutual funds or stockbroker accounts, then see your net worth and do some transaction. This becomes the whole journey, right? Our ideal journey. So what are the in the different stages, what are the person will go through, what kind of thoughts, what kind of gateways that we have to take care of, then what kind of emotions that person will be having in certain stage. So to understand those things, we are doing the user journey mapping. Correct? Then after this is the first user. Now coming to the second persona. Now let's do for the same second persona. Go to this place, put it as green. This one also has some other color. Let's put it as this color. Okay, user journey map. Let's do it. Okay, yes. Also, key insight for this one. We should add key insights for all those, so that we don't have to come back to the same entire thing again and again. We can just come to this part, come back here, paste it. Then we have these friction free boarding. I think this is the place where ChatGPT becomes really handy, gives you the insight so that you also don't have to come back to see all the things from scratch. Right, this is the first user. Now coming to the Second, user journey map. Shall we craft the journey map into persona 2? Do you define anything here left? I think this is good enough. I have a very good view. What are the different stages? I'm good to go to the next stage. Let's jump to next persona. So another thing here we can do is, okay, now it's the same stages. We don't have to create the entire format again. We just have to copy paste different things. Trigger point, quarterly budget review. This is the second persona, right? A little bit of intermediate one. The one 32-year-old guy. Quarterly budget review, reminder in calendar, sees CRED banner, skip spreadsheets this quarter, auto sync your portfolio. Okay, this is a very personalized, I would say personalized push notification. This is good. Linked post by CRED Wealth, LinkedIn post by CRED Wealth. Okay, CRED Wealth is the name. Instead of portfolio, we can name it as CRED Wealth. It's a very good name. I like it. Okay, go. Sorry, this is not here. I think let's name it as portfolio. Instead of portfolio, wealth sounds a little bit more sophisticated. CRED Wealth. Okay, I like it. Now, coming to goals and tasks. Evaluate if the tool can save him. Okay, the all these things will be also changing eventually. I think CRED Wealth, we can name it. Interested but skeptical. Will it really cut my prep time? Okay, very. Is it in the emotions? Okay, what kind of emotion he is going through? Okay, fear of partial data. This is one big point. I think we did not cover, put it in the first one because maybe the first person is not going through that. What is maybe? Yeah, the idea here is to look from all the perspective. Worried about learning curve. Okay. Coming back to this. Then we have landing page bullet points. Okay, the opportunity here is landing page with 3 bullet points, ROI, 90-second setup, tax preview, export to Excel. Okay, nice. Short 30-second demo GIF. Okay, coming to the connects, click connects accounts. Then coming to links to Grow, Zerodha, bank statements. Okay. Then we have upload property details manually, EMI plus rent. Okay, EMI property details, if we are going to conduct, then we have to be very specific on how we can reduce the manual entry and also automate it or provide a bit accurate information. Multiple OTPs, CSEs, and email delays. This CSE email delays is one big issue because I am not getting any CSE emails from the, I think, CDSL or NSDL, something like that, from 6 months now. So I had to provide them the direct access to my CDSL to IND money. Unclear. Okay. Unclear where to enter offline assets. All right. Then bulk link wizard. Then add offline asset, skip for now option with later reminder. Sorry. This is not here. Exactly. Why it is coming in this one? Okay. Now bulk link wizard, this should come here. Okay, this should go away. Now coming to the viewer first look, which is opens dashboard at Monday AM. Okay. 8:30. Now coming to scan net worth trend, asset allocation, pie chart. Okay, pie chart or donut chart, we will see. Now it has a second one, which is check quarterly tax projection. Okay. Quarterly tax projection is one thing, then focused, mildly relieved. Just quickly copy paste it. See, all these informations seeming very pretty much straightforward and pretty much good information. So if you do this kind of conversational chat with ChatGPT based on the context, it can provide you really good responses for your project. Wants to grow raw data. Sorry, I did pain points. Wants to export raw numbers quickly. Okay, for Excel sheet and all. Okay, we also want to see why this guy will also do Excel sheet. Toggle summary detail view. Okay, tap export to CSV or email CA. Okay. Export is also very important because this person has to share it with the uh, CA as well. Correct. Now coming to the fourth one, which is seize banner equity more than 70%, rebalance to cut risk. Decide to shift 50K is one goals. Decides to shift 50K from equity to debt. See projected tax impact. Okay, now coming to the next one, curiously decisive. Okay, cautiously decisive. Sorry, cautiously decisive. Cautiously decisive. I will take this emotion. Sorry. Now wants to, okay, the pain points of the fourth one is unsure which dev funds shoots. Okay. Then fear of locking money. Okay, these two. Then opportunity areas. Smart suggests 3 debt funds options ranked by duration and risk. All right. One click create SIP one-time switch via BSF star MF. Okay, all this seeming relevant. Let's go to the last one, which is review quarterly data. Quarterly ritual. View dashboard. Okay, different stages, habit loop. And this is different. We just may want to also change it. Review for different users. This is also becoming a little bit different. Optimize, then dashboard. Okay, now coming to the first one is the end of quarter Sunday notification. Your Q2 report is ready. Now coming to download PDF for personal records. Okay, this is the review part, right? After all the job is done, this is what the user may do it in the complete design flow, or sorry, action flow. Confirm tax payable versus advance tax paid. Okay, now coming to efficient in control. This is the kind of emotion the user is having. Efficient, then in control. You can play around with different emojis if you want, or if you don't want to go with emojis at all, that is also fine. Now coming to last minute tax surprises. Okay, the pain points is last minute tax surprises, like if I rebalance, then my tax liability may be more based on the selling. If it is a long term capital gain tax, or it's a short term capital gain tax, this is one anxiety the user might have. PDF include advanced tax action checklist, pay 12,000 for to avoid penalty. Things like that, we will see how much is feasible and legal. I think I don't have to worry about that. I just have to provide some nudges. Then the legal team will do it. If everything I will do, then what they will do. So, I mean, what the idea here is, after all this, when, I mean, in a typical scenario, after all this, we kind of check with all the stakeholders and we go through, okay, can we do this, can we do that? Then this is the testing phase from different stakeholders. Then they will provide some inputs. Based on that, we will iterate our things. Key takeaways for Rahul's journey. Okay. For time saving apps, all right, just copy it and paste it as it is. Okay, what are the key? Okay, we did not go through this one. Key takeaways for ISIS journeys: friction-free boarding, less than 3 steps is critical. OTP consent language must feel safe and quick. First, dashboard impression should give instant value, even while full data sync completes. Guided action cards with limited curated options prevent overwhelming. Then positive reinforcement like stretch, digest summaries, fuel her habit without gamify anxiety. Okay. Now in the second persona is time saving headline value must be explicit everywhere. Time saving headline value must be explicit everywhere. Batch account linking easy data export are core UX wins. Then quarterly tax rebalancing widgets turns occasional users into repeat engagers, provide professional grade reports he can hand to a CEO or zero rework. Okay, so this is pretty much straightforward. I hope you understood it. If you have any queries related to the process or anything, please let me know in the comment section. We can do again another live session. Let's come back to this point, which is the third persona. This is the last persona. Let's jump to next. Now the two is done. This is the third. After this, we will check what is our pending, and eventually after this, the next session, we will be starting our design phase finally. I know everybody is waiting for that. Even myself, I want to do so. I want to design something. This is a lot of theory. I mean research. I shouldn't say that. Okay, Vikram Singh 29. It is actually okay. 29. Actually, it is 29. Sorry. Vikram Singh. The person name is Vikram Singh. The other person name we forgot to translate here. Okay, the other person name is Rahul Mehta. We will copy paste the other parts later. Rahul Mehta. Then here we have already created this information. We just copy it and paste it here. No, not this one. This one. Then come to the second one. Come to here. Then paste it here. Okay, now coming back to the third one, which is the same, I think the same stages. Yeah, the same stages. Vikram Singh, wealth builder. So sees beta invitation pop up while paying card bill. Because this person is a a pro user, then CRED would want to put it in the beta users list, correct? To get the initial feedback, because the user adoption will be very high for these users, and they can give the best feedback as well. So reads CRED blog post, pro mode analytics now live. Okay, goals and insights. Coming to goals and insights, put it, copy paste it, check if the tool offers analytics deeper than IND money. The person is already using IND money, so is it going to provide some additional information? Excited but critical. Suspicious of dumbed down consumer apps. Dumbed down, okay. Then teaser pro metrics SERP, or how do you pronounce it? Tease pro metrics, okay. Then see all your risk metrics in one tab, no cluttered. I think this pro mode and basic mode is a good feature to have. We can work on that. Okay, now coming back to the second, clicks advanced onboarding. There should not be anything like that. Clicks advanced onboarding. Acha, okay, this is the beta user, right? That's why it is saying the advanced onboarding. Okay, we will keep it whatever ChatGPT provides for now. Link Jiroda Angel One vested Wealth upload crypto CSVs add read portfolios manually. Okay, REIT is another thing that came into picture. REIT is for those who don't know. REIT is for real estate. It's like mutual funds for real estate. Yeah. They also provide, it's like a group of real estate builders. You have what is embassy, you have other groups, right, real estate builder groups. So they provide the exact REITs or mutual fund kind of investment instrument. You can invest it and they will also provide you some rental incomes through yields, 4-5%, something like that. Focused, savvy. Okay, excited. Okay, focused, tech savvy. Okay, we have already API limits on niche assets. API limits, pain points, API limits on niche assets. Okay, this is, I'm hearing it first time. We will dig down this one, API limits. Why the user has to worry about API limits? Crypto CSV. Okay, the refresh time. Okay, the refresh time can be lesser, so this can create a issue. Coming to multi-asset wizard with import presets, CoinSwitch, WajirX, CSV. WajirX is gone, so only CoinSwitch, and I think CoinDCX is now. I also don't use CoinDCX. Please let me know if anybody uses it or it is also gone. So one story I will tell you. So I got, I invested money in initially in what is that app? Um, Vault, right? I saw a few influencers like Akshat Srivastava and Ankur Warikoo talking about crypto and Vault, and at that time, Vault was giving interest. I can put my crypto on a like rent or as a fixed deposit, and they can give an extra 4-5% of yield per year. So I put a little bit of money. Then after like 1 year, the company provided me a statement saying that we are going bankrupt and we cannot provide you anything. They provided, and it was very less. I think they gave me an option to convert all the assets. I was something around 60 to 70,000 rupees invested, and they gave me, you can convert your asset based on the like that time allocation, something in Ripple, I mean XRP, worth of 1200 to 1000 rupees, 60,000 rupees to 1000 rupees. So that moment, and I had I knew that this is not going to go well, so I put money in different things, like some money in Vault, some money in CoinSwitch, some money in WazirX. WazirX is also, that is also locked, I cannot withdraw it. So these two gone. Only CoinSwitch is going good, I think, and a little bit of trust is there that CoinSwitch will do good. So now I am putting my money in CoinSwitch. I think the regulation is happening. So yeah, but Vault, WajirX, all of them took those money, gone into wasted. Opens daily app. Okay, coming back to the point. Apps on 8 a.m. now. Oh, no. This is no. We forgot. Okay, clicks advanced onboarding. Okay, this is gone. Opens dashboard daily 7 a.m. View analytics. This is done. Now opens 7 a.m. alarms. Now coming to this. Opens dashboard daily 7 a.m. Now scan net worth delta sharp var. Okay, this is very technical trading terms, so we will include it in the pro version. Focused, analytical, engaged. Analytical, then engaged. Now coming to the next point, which is wants near real-time data. Is the pain point. 6-hour refresh for equities plus intraday price feed. Okay, opportunity is 6-hour refresh. Okay, for the pro people, we can provide a 6 hours refresh because these are intraday trading people. So they will be doing the trading session from 9:15 to 3:30. So after that, they would be wanting to see the like what is there in today. So we can provide something to refresh for these pro users after certain time. Opens dashboard daily. Okay, this is the act session. Act runs Nifty 10% stress test. Oh, even I don't know what is it. Okay, we will jump into that. See, okay, stress test means Nifty. How will Nifty perform today? 10% go, 10% down based on different stocks. Maybe that. Calculated and experimental. No, 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 no. Okay, this is not. Sorry, this should be here. Okay, now coming to the pain points, need quick path from insight to execution. Quick path from insight. Okay, insight to execution should be quick. There should not be a lot of steps. I think this is it. Sorry. Now coming to hedge suggestions card, liquid Bs, gold ETFs, gold funds. Okay. Hedging option, the platform can provide some nudges, right? It's not like a recommendation, it is like a suggestion. Then coming to end of quarter Saturday. So I will just quickly it is more than 1 hour, so I will just quickly paste it and we will be, our journey maps will be over. Yeah, so strategic and stratified. Okay, strategic and satisfied. Then we have needs raw data to export. Okay, then we have download JSON or CSV file of fund holdings. Okay, then add annotation feature inside app, sync to Notion via webhook. This is very advanced features. I don't we will check if we are going to give that. Now takeaway is pro mode positioning. Okay, key takeaways, let's get that. Vikram, So pro mode positioning must be clear from the first touch to avoid too basic perception. Pro mode positioning must be clear for the okay in the first touch we should communicate the pro mode to these people. Niche asset coverage and custom imports are essential for credibility. Rapid refresh and risk metrics drive daily engagement. Insight to execution badges, deep links, saved orders, convert analysis into tangible actions, provide raw data exports, annotation for his personal analytical flow. So this is the three user personas. Then define phase deliverables completed. Now, if you notice that after completing all this, now ChatGPT from its side provides the deliverables that what are the steps we have completed. So in the next session, we will do the how might we statements, the POV statements also we will do. We will see if that is needed, but how might we statements we will do. Then draft key design principles like trust, clarity, automation, personalization. We will also do a detailed documentation on that. Then build feature priority matrix like must have, should have, could have, all those things we will do one by one. Or maybe in the next page, we will complete all those things. So if you're watching this, be like subscribe to my channel to get the notification when I upload all this the next scenario. Then after this we will jump to the design phase. So this is about it for the user journey maps. Hope you liked it. If you have any queries, anything that I missed, please let me know in the comment section. And yeah, that's it. See you in the next episode. I always forget to stop screen sharing when I do my last one. But okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.